this video, I'm going to show you the analytics feature, which is one of my favorite features that Skool has because I can see clearly what is happening inside the group. I can see the numbers, right? So you can see here currently how many members you have and then how many MRR you're making, which is your monthly recurring income. What is the conversion rate and your retention rate. You can see here in this chart how many members joined each month and how many members actually leaving. This chart actually gives you a picture of what's actually happening inside your group. And then furthermore, you can also see the engagement on how many members are engaging and actually the percentage of active members that are engaging inside your community, okay? So this is a great feature, but Skool went overboard and shared one more amazing feature, and I think I absolutely love it. So this is the growth feature where you can actually further dive into your community and see clearly what exactly is happening, where that traffic is coming from, and this will help you know where exactly you need to put your time and attention to. So over here in the growth tab, you can see the number of visitors who have actually visited your Skool About page, how many people signed up, how many converted into members, and the extra new MRR that you made in the last 30 days. Now this growth feature is actually a new one, so you cannot actually see more than 30 days. If you have seen this feature in your community and you haven't really looked into it, I highly recommend you go ahead and check it out. You can also see where your signups are coming from. So I post about my Skool everywhere on social media. Direct is when I share my direct Skool community link, which if you click here, you're going to get your link and then you go post that in your emails or you're sending the link directly to someone you know. So that's direct, and you can see 4 people are coming from there. So I may put more efforts in sharing my Skool community link inside my emails or my chatbots, or share more of my Skool community links on my messenger. 3 people came from Skool network. So this is from within Skool. So if you are active in Skool communities, people will see you, they'll get curious about you, and they'll go check your Skool profile and they will see your community there. If it relates, they're going to join, and you just got new members just by being active in other communities. I have a YouTube channel and I share about systematic funnels, and at the end of my videos, I always link back to my Skool community. So that's where people are getting to know about my community, and you can see 3 people actually joined from my YouTube. And then I have my domain, which I don't remember how is this happening, and then Facebook and Instagram. So this gives you a clear idea where you should put more of your time and attention to in order to get more members to your community. And then if you scroll further down, you're going to see the chart here, which basically tells you signups that are happening on each day, which I love this feature. I can always go ahead and look at this chart and see, okay, on this day, this many members joined, right? I absolutely love this growth feature, and I highly recommend that you go check it out if you haven't checked it out yet.